guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to get the new update on Snapchat and the 3D Bitmoji. So if I go to my Snapchat app, as you can see, I do not have my 3D Bitmojis, not the background, everything it's still the same as it was. And then if I go to settings and scroll down, as you can see, the Snapchat version is the old one. So let's go again up, and here we have to remember our username and our mobile number and email, because we will need to uninstall our app in order to update it. So let's go to our Play Store, and then here if I search for Snapchat, as you can see, I do not have an update available. The last updated was on 24 July. And yeah, it's nothing available. So let's uninstall our app and then install it again. And now let's open the app and let's log in. So here you have to set your username or email and the password. We have to allow the permissions. And now let's go to our profile, which is in the left top corner. So guys, as you can see, I still don't have the update. The last option is to restart our phone. So I will do that really quickly. So guys, I've just restarted my phone. Let's now go on Snapchat and see if we got our new update. So yeah, as you can see, I do not have it. I don't know why is that. If you know how to help me, please comment in the comment section below. I have a Samsung S10 and the update is just not available for me. So yeah guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash the like button and you can also comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.